Hi, I'm Suzanne Robbins, Director of Sales and Customer Programs here at Maggie Sottero Designs. Today we're going to talk about personalization options and layer replacement options in our Personalize It for Your Love Story program. We know that all of you brides out there have such unique personalities and everyone loves something just a little bit different. So we've created Personalize It for Your Love Story, where you can select different options to make the dress truly your dream dress. So first, we're taking a look at Bailey, one of my favorite nude dresses. And the base style for this dress features a fabulous glitter tulle that's shown on our model here. And that glitter tulle is really sparkly. It has such uber sparkle that it will just dazzle. But if you feel like that tulle is just a little too much, you can ask your stylist at your authorized retailer about replacing that with a sparkle tulle. It's still sparkly, but it's a little more subdued just to have a little soft shimmer of sparkle. And that's what we're seeing on our mannequin gown right here. Now, if both of those options are still a little too much, there's one more option you can pursue, and that is to do a layer replacement where you're replacing this sparkle tulle with just a plain tulle. Now let's take a look at all of the layer options that are available for this style. So the first layer that's available is this glitter tulle. And so it's placed directly beneath the outermost layer of the gown, and it's really sparkly. So you can see all of this gorgeous glitter. And when you're wearing this dress, you are just going to dazzle and shimmer. So this is the layer that can be replaced with other fabrications. This one again is the glitter tulle. So the next layer option that's available is sparkle tulle. And this again is placed underneath the outermost layer of the dress, and it has just a soft sparkle to it, almost like a newly fallen snow. It just shimmers so softly and beautifully, but it adds that little bit of glimmer that a bride will enjoy on her wedding day to just add a little sparkle. Now I'm going to show you how a stylist would be able to help you visualize what a layer replacement would look like for your dress while you're trying on in stores. So if we were going to replace this glitter tulle layer with plain tulle, your stylist would come in and will you just hold this for a moment and roll up the layer that we're going to replace. So we'll just delicately roll that up. And then she would mock up the layer that we're replacing it with by clipping it into place. So we can look and see right here what that will look like without the glitter tulle. And that's one of the great things that you can do when you're working with a stylist at one of our authorized retailer locations so that you can personalize the gown for your love story. While you're wedding shopping, be sure to ask your stylist about any personalization options to do those layer replacements that we've just talked about today, and they'll be able to assist you. Visit MaggieSottero.com and our store locator to find your nearest authorized retailer and schedule an appointment today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tricks and tips.